Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to get my WhatsApp link on your iPhone. So let me directly get into this. So the first one is over here. You just go over here in the WhatsApps right there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate to you while I'm going to share my link to one of my friends. So in order to do this, all you have to do is first you need to type W, then you need to type small a followed by a dot and use this particular slash. Sorry. You have to type WA, then you need to type me, then you need to use slash. Now, once you use the slash, there should be one slash, then you need to type a number. Whatever your number should be written. So what I'm going to do, let me type my number. So I have written this, and once afterwards, I have to share it over here, so that it is shared to my friend. So this is how we can create or share my WhatsApp link on your iPhone. It's quite simple as it is. And I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, bye. That's it.